Welcome back. We're back on the Nissan, back on the rust. Planning on finishing it today, hopefully. We're at that spot. I'm finishing up that one, same side. That back little corner there, and try to deal with those dents. If not, it's okay. And I got new rims.
Dat moet je cross op zenden. Right?
Yeah, let's go down. The primer, this part from the truck tires, and then the paint. Hopefully this is the right time. What it looks like. Hopefully it is. Got a patchworking. Got this piece cut out. That's what was in there. Now time to put this thing in. Once the top is tacked, I can tag it down there. That gap should be okay, or manageable. That's pretty much flush right there. Stay tuned. Alright, I got it tacked in there. I'm gonna do some more tacking and then grind it down. And then once it's grind it down, see if I gotta do some more welding and then go from there. I'll give you a little video. Alright, back for part 2. I got this one body fillered, sand it down. She's smooth for now. And then working on this side. Trying to smooth this thing down. This needs to do a little bit of work. This is okay. Yeah, just starting to. I'm gonna have to do some more body filler. Because it should be smooth like this. Not like that. I'll put you in a little time lapse for it. Boys and girls, I've got it ready for paint. As far as I want it, I don't really care. It's a freaking beater car. That's smooth. Got that wiped down, this wiped down, that wiped down. Now I'm just gonna tape it off, masking tape, and then get to painting. And I'm painting the door too. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, one side is done. I got that, as you see, the patch job. And this guy turned out half decent. A lot better on camera though. In person, it looks like shit. And then this side, this one is the best one. Even in the sunlight, it looks good. Except for here, right here. But it gets covered for most of it, so that's okay. Paint's a little off. $300 car. So, she's mint. I'm guessing there will be a part 3 because I have to touch up that a little bit. Let's scuff it down, paint it. And then this guy. I already have a little replacement piece to put into it. And then sand that thing down and do the same thing. Once that's done, these two are done, go for a safety check. And then from there, well, from there on.